Do you feel like you don't speak enough Korean? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
직업이 무엇입니까? 저는 예술가입니다.
Listen to it again, now with the English translation.
직업이 무엇입니까?
What do you do?
저는 예술가입니다.
I'm an artist. First of all, you need to learn how to say, what do you do? That's.
직업이 무엇입니까?
Listen to it again.
직업이 무엇입니까? 직업이 무엇입니까?
Now, how do you answer this question? This is the pattern you'll need.
저는
Your occupation.
입니다.
I'm a, an, your occupation. For example, I'm an artist.
저는 예술가입니다. 저는 예술가입니다.
Now, listen to some examples.
직업이 무엇입니까? 저는 선생님입니다. 직업이 무엇입니까? 저는 의사입니다. 직업이 무엇입니까? 저는 엔지니어입니다.
Listen to the dialogue.
어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 괜찮으셔.
Once more with the English translation.
어머니는 어떠셔?
How's your mother?
어머니는 괜찮으셔.
She's fine. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how's your mother? That's.
어머니는 어떠셔?
Listen to it again.
어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 어떠셔?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
어머니는
state of well-being. This Korean sentence literally means, my mother is, but it translates as, she is state of well-being in English. For example, she's fine.
어머니는 괜찮으셔. 어머니는 괜찮으셔.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 잘 지내셔. 어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 그냥 그러셔. 어머니는 어떠셔? 어머니는 안 괜찮으셔.
Listen to the dialogue.
괜찮아요?
사무실이 덥습니다.
Once more with the English translation.
괜찮아요?
What's the matter?
사무실이 덥습니다.
The office is hot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's the matter? That's.
괜찮아요?
Listen to it again.
괜찮아요? 괜찮아요?
This Korean sentence literally translates into, are you all right? But it means, what's the matter in English. Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
사무실이
adjective.
니다.
This Korean sentence literally translates into the office adjective is, but it means the office is adjective in English. For example, the office is hot.
사무실이 덥습니다. 사무실이 덥습니다.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
괜찮아요? 사무실이 춥습니다. 괜찮아요? 사무실이 시끄럽습니다. 괜찮아요? 사무실이 더럽습니다.
Listen to the dialogue.
이것을 뭐라고 말해요?
그것은 주차장입니다.
Once more with the English translation.
이것을 뭐라고 말해요?
How do you say this?
그것은 주차장입니다.
It's parking lot. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, how do you say this? That's,
이것을 뭐라고 말해요?
listen to it again.
이것을 뭐라고 말해요? 이것을 뭐라고 말해요?
This Korean sentence literally translates into, this how say? But it means, how do you say this in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is
그것은
word.
입니다.
This Korean sentence literally translates into, that word is, but it means it's word in English. For example, it's parking lot.
그것은 주차장입니다. 그것은 주차장입니다.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
이것을 뭐라고 말해요?
그것은 기린입니다.
이것을 뭐라고 말해요?
그것은 여행입니다.
이것을 뭐라고 말해요?
그것은 침략입니다.
Now, if you're wondering how to remember these words forever so that you can start speaking more and more, here's how. 1. Review them with our spaced repetition flashcards. Our flashcards will drill these words into your long-term memory. 2. Save the words to our word bank, your personal collection of words, where you can print out physical study sheets. And 3. Watch our looped vocabulary slideshows on repeat until you understand every word. You'll find these tools inside our learning program. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Listen to the dialogue.
좋아하는 숫자가 뭐예요? 7이에요.
Once more with the English translation.
좋아하는 숫자가 뭐예요?
What's your favorite number?
7이에요.
It's 7. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what's your favorite number? That's,
좋아하는 숫자가 뭐예요?
listen to it again.
좋아하는 숫자가 뭐예요? 좋아하는 숫자가 뭐예요?
This Korean sentence literally translates into, favorite number is what? But it means, what's your favorite number in English? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is number.
이에요. 이에요.
This Korean sentence literally translates into, number it is, but it means it's number in English. For example, it's 7.
7이에요. 7이에요.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
좋아하는 숫자가 뭐예요? 2예요. 좋아하는 숫자가 뭐예요? 4예요. 좋아하는 숫자가 뭐예요? 9예요.
Listen to the dialogue.
어떤 영화가 좋아요?
공포 영화가 좋아요.
Once more with the English translation.
어떤 영화가 좋아요?
What kind of movies do you like?
공포 영화가 좋아요.
I like horror movies. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what kind of movies do you like? That's,
어떤 영화가 좋아요?
listen to it again.
어떤 영화가 좋아요? 어떤 영화가 좋아요?
Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is type of movie.
가 좋아요.
This Korean sentence literally translates as type of movie I like, but it means I like type of movie movies. For example, I like horror movies.
공포 영화가 좋아요. 공포 영화가 좋아요.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
어떤 영화가 좋아요?
코미디 영화가 좋아요.
어떤 영화가 좋아요?
판타지 영화가 좋아요.
어떤 영화가 좋아요?
로맨스 영화가 좋아요.
Listen to the dialogue.
추석에 어디 가요?
바닷가에 갈 계획이에요.
Once more with the English translation.
추석에 어디 가요?
What are you doing for Korean Thanksgiving?
바닷가에 갈 계획이에요.
I'm planning to go to the beach. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say, what are you doing for Korean Thanksgiving? That's,
추석에 어디 가요?
Chuseok is a 3-day harvest festival celebrated when there is a full moon on the 15th day of the 8th month of the lunar calendar. Listen to it again.
추석에 어디 가요? 추석에 어디 가요?
This Korean sentence literally translates as, where are you going during Korean Thanksgiving? But it means, what are you doing for Korean Thanksgiving? Now, how do you answer this question? The pattern is plan.
일 계획이에요.
I'm planning to plan. For example, I'm planning to go to the beach.
바닷가에 갈 계획이에요. 바닷가에 갈 계획이에요.
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
추석에 어디 가요? 여행할 계획이에요. 추석에 어디 가요? 집에 있을 계획이에요. 추석에 어디 가요? 영화관에 갈 계획이에요.
Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
여보세요. 담당자와 통화하고 싶은데요.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
Once more with the English translation.
여보세요. 담당자와 통화하고 싶은데요.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
여보세요. 여보세요.
Then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is person.
와, 과, 통화하고 싶은데요.
This Korean sentence literally translates as person with talk on the phone want, but it means I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
여보세요. 담당자와 통화하고 싶은데요. 여보세요. 담당자와 통화하고 싶은데요.
Now, how do you answer this question?
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요. 네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
This Korean sentence literally translates as yes, moment wait, but it means okay, just a moment. Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
영업사원과 통화하고 싶은데요.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
매니저와 통화하고 싶은데요.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
고객 서비스와 통화하고 싶은데요.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.